What's up, YouTubians? Gary here of VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the 1960 Baja Volksrod Franken Beetle that we finally named.
Dun, 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 dun.
Thank you, Haptic Garage. We've named it the 60. SICKXTY. Why SICKXTY? Well, one of two reasons. They're going to be really sick. It's going to make you sick to your stomach.
Time will tell, I'm the one doing the work on it.
So today, on the Baja Franken Beetle Volksrod, baby, we got the heater channels tacked in last time. We've got some more work to do on that. But I want to get started on these rear quarters. We got them marked up, kind of mocked up in place. So we need to go ahead and get at least one side done today. We are looking at not a very pretty day. It's not a beautiful day in Florida. We got rain coming. I don't mind Jawbreaker sitting in the rain. I don't want to be out here welding in sideways rain and thunder and all that. So, without further ado, let's get to work. So today's little project, you saw us get the heater channels tacked in. You get up here and kind of clean up some of these spot welds, figure out what needs to be replaced, what doesn't on some of the inner fender well there. A-pillars are coming up soon, but we need to go ahead and get these lower skins set in place here. What we did is we took one of the bolts that would normally run your running boards there. We took one of those, put it in place to line this up, trim this down. No, I don't have Clecos, so we used a couple self-tappers. And we used that to hold it in place to make sure, A, the channel was where it needed to be, and B, there was definitely some rot up in here. So we've got a little bit of an overlap. So we'll come in and cut right there, and then we can butt weld those together and get all that squared away. So first, we'll go ahead and get this side cleaned up a little bit. And we're just gonna get to work. All right, with all that cut out of the way, we still have our bottom bolt hole down there. That we can use. All right, now with that there, I'm going to go ahead and use some of these butt weld clamps. Get some of those in place. Get those set up, a couple of those in place, and then we'll go ahead and see if we can get this tacked in. That's looking pretty good. I'm gonna probably go ahead and use a clamp this in place. I drilled some holes down here just so I can get this skin to the heater channel real well. Alright, screw it, I'm just gonna push it in place. That'll work. Well, that ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and pull our clamps off. Now with our clamps out of the way, we can start working around the panel and slowly go ahead and get things tacked into place. And you want to work around so you don't warp anything. Well, we're getting there. Lots more tacky to do. Alright, well the battery died. You didn't really miss a whole lot other than repeat of what we were already doing. So, in all honesty, I never once said I was great at bodywork. I said I can do bodywork. I never said I was great. Honestly, there might be more waves in this panel than on a good surfing day in Florida. Go figure. I don't know what to tell you. Like I said, not great at bodywork. Never really been a forte of mine. But we're doing it, and we're learning together possibly what not to do. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I can do better on, and make this better. I really don't want to do a bunch of Bondo and filler and all that. I would rather, you know, have the metal work be as straight as possible. Again, I don't know how far we're going to take this car, but it is what it is. So we've got a small text message. We've got a small gap here I still need to fill, make a little filler panel for that, and then we'll get that closed in. I did drill some plug weld holes just so I can get this secured to the heater channel. And then again, we've got, yeah, it's supposed to be flush, but it's not. It's a little wavy. Like I said, I'm no expert.
What the hell do I know? I don't know nothing. Moving on!
Well guys, we went through one band of rain. Got quite a bit done on the one side. I'm happy. At least we got one side done today. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear or not, it's starting to thunder. We already went through one band. I really don't want to be out here welding and working when it's sideways rain in the garage. Just not really my cup of tea. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting everything away. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Again, how do I put this? I'm not an expert. We're learning together. It's all right, we'll figure it out. Again, not an expert. Never claimed to be. Catch you guys soon. Appreciate you being here. Be kind to one another and be good.